Hello everyone, we're all here today because we share something fundamental, the need to connect. And how do we connect? Through communication. It's not just about formal speeches or important meetings. It's woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. Think about it. The way you get your neighbor in the morning, the messages you exchange with your family, the quick chats with colleagues at work, even the way you order favorite merienda at the local carinderia. These seemingly small interactions shape our relationships, influence our mood, and ultimately define our day. But how often do we truly consider the impact of our communication in these moments? Effective communication isn't about being the loudest or the most eloquent. It's about being understanding others. It starts with truly listening, putting aside our own thoughts and biases to genuinely hear what someone is saying. It means paying attention not just the words but also to the tone, body language, and unspoken emotions. And it means responding with empathy and clarity, choosing our words carefully to avoid misunderstanding and build bridges instead of walls in a world filled with distractions and noise. Mastering the arts of mindful communication is more vital than ever. So, let's challenge ourselves to be more intentional in our daily interactions. Let's practice active listening, speak with kindness and clarity, and strive to understand the perspective of those around us. By doing so, we can transform our everyday conversations into opportunities for connection, growth, and mutual understanding. After all, life is a series of conversations, and the quality of those conversations determines the quality of our lives.